Shalom Aleichem. This is Hershel Reichman with another series of Torah's Chaim, and we're talking about Tefillah as one of the most basic yisodos of Torah life, and different aspects of how one davens properly and with more kavanah and with more feeling. And today I wanted to talk about the use of the hands in Tefillah. We find the use of hands many times in Tanakh as a central part of very powerful praying. For example, Moshe Rabbeinu, when he tells Paro that he will pray for him to stop a plague, he says, Efros et kapai, I will spread out my hands. And then the Torah says he does do that and spread out his hands and stop the plague. David HaMelech in Tehillim numerous times uses the phrase, I will spread out my hands. For example, in Tehillim Perek Samach Gimel, he uses the phrase, he says, B'shimcha eso kapai, your name, God, I will lift up my hands with your name. Shlomo HaMelech, when he dedicates the Beis HaMikdash, uses that exact same type of phrase. He says that the people around the world will face the Beit HaMikdash area and pray. And he says, when he describes their praying, he says, Ufaras kapav el habayit. The people will spread out their hands, raise their hands towards the Beit HaMikdash. And Eov says also in Perek Yud Aleph, Ufaraste lav kapecha, raise up your hands to the Almighty Hashem, God, when you pray. I wanted to just demonstrate, if I could, 3 different positions of hands, or maybe 4 different positions of hands in praying. Chazal mentioned one position in Shmona Esrei, keeping the hands cupped together like this, at the lower chest, just above the stomach, as a sign of being God's servant. That's one position. The position which the psukim are talking about, spreading hands, and I did see great Hasidic Rabbanim using their hands in prayer. I was privileged to pray many times next to the Mashgiach of Torah V'das, of Moshe Wilson, Zechat Tzaddik Kodesh Levracha, and he used his hands in the way of the Tanakh, spreading his hands in prayer. So I would like to demonstrate three such positions, because Chassidish Rebbes do it very often. One is the simple holding of hands like this, eyes closed. Now maybe say a pasuk, Poseach es yodecha umasbir l'chol chai ratzon. This is the simple, I would say, simple supplication. When one feels somewhat more inspired or wants to reach higher, one can lift up hands to the shoulder and say, Poseach es yodecha umasbir l'chol chai ratzon. And if one truly wants to reach as high as possible, stretch your hands to the sky and say, Poseach es yodecha umasbir l'chol chai ratzon. And you're in Shamayim with your hands reaching to the sky. Again, simple supplication, hands at the waist. Stronger prayer, shoulder height. And reaching to the sky, stretching your hands up and up. I hope that all of us will use our hands in prayer at various times. It's an extremely, extremely powerful method. Thank you very much.